This is Trey Ann with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for Industry Day of the 2026 Florida RV SuperShow. Every major RV manufacturer is here showcasing their newest RVs, new product unveilings, new brands, and the latest technologies and innovations. Throughout the show, manufacturers are hosting product unveilings and offering exclusive opportunities to learn, see, and experience what's next in RV design and technology. The size of the Florida RV SuperShow is truly unmatched. With more than 1.3 million square feet of exhibit space and expanded display areas this year, it's impossible to see everything in just one day. That's exactly why every admission ticket includes a free second day back, giving you time to explore at a relaxed place and revisit your favorite displays. We have all classes of RVs here, from luxury Class A motorhomes, Super Cs, Class B camper vans, fifth wheels, travel trailers, truck campers, teardrops, A-liners, park models, and more, including an extended range electric RV and next generation systems designed to make RV travel more efficient and comfortable. Beyond the RVs, there are over 450 vendor booths throughout the fairgrounds. If it is related to RVing, you will find it here. Another highlight is the RV Influencer Meet and Greets, where RV fans can meet some of their favorite online personalities, ask questions, and hear real-life stories from those living the RV lifestyle. This year it will be held in the center of the fairgrounds at the Pavilion. Another can't-miss experience is the Ford Towing Boot Camp, which includes both classroom instruction and hands-on towing experience. Space is limited, so pre-register through the link on the show webpage. Educational seminars are being held every day of the show at the Florida Center right next to the show office. You can see the full seminar schedule on the show webpage. Because of the size of the show, mobility scooters, wheelchairs, strollers, and wagons are available for rent at the show gates. I highly recommend reserving these ahead of time using the link on the show webpage to ensure availability and make your visit as comfortable as possible. The 2026 Florida RV SuperShow is at the Florida State Fairgrounds January 14th through 18th. The gates are open to the public Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the SuperShow.